मन करता है कि तुमसे बात करता ही रहूं। I feel like keep talking to you. I feel like keep talking to you. मेरे पास बताने के लिए कुछ नहीं है। I have nothing to tell you. I have nothing to tell you. ये तो मेरे बाएं हाथ का खेल है। This is my left hand game. This is my left hand game. इसके बावजूद भी मैं चाहता हूँ। Having said that, I love you. Having said that, I love you. क्या तुम्हारे आसपास कोई है? Is anybody around you? Is anybody around you? ऐसा दोस्त होना किस्मत की बात है। Having such a friend is a matter of luck. Having such a friend is a matter of luck. मुझे तुम्हारे भाई से डर लगता है। I am scared of your brother. I am scared of your brother. काश मैं तुमसे पहले मिला होता। I wish I would have met you earlier. I wish I would have met you earlier. मैं इसके लिए कसूरवार नहीं हूँ। I am not guilty for this. I am not guilty for this. मैं घर पहुँच गया हूँ। I have reached home. I have reached home. क्या तुम मुझे बेवकूफ़ समझते हो? Do you take me for a fool? Do you take me for a fool? तुम तो बड़े चालू निकले। You turned out to be so clever. You turned out to be so clever. सच कहूँ तो मैं बहुत खुश हूँ। To be honest, I am very happy. To be honest, I am very happy. अब किसकी बारी है? Whose turn is it now? Whose turn is it now? तुम्हारी तबीयत अब कैसी है? How is your health now? How is your health now? जाना है तो जाओ। Go if you want to. Go if you want to. मुझे उससे बात करे बिना रुका नहीं जाता। I am not stopped without talking to him. I am not stopped without talking to him. यहाँ सबसे अच्छा होटल कौन सा है? Which is the best hotel here? Which is the best hotel here? यह आपकी मेहरबानी है। It's very kind of you. It's very kind of you. यह मेरी दूर की रिश्तेदार है। She is my distance relative. She is my distance relative. मैं पौधों को पानी दे रहा हूँ। I am watering the plants. I am watering the plants. ऐसा बेटा होना गर्व की बात है। Having such a son is matter of pride. Having such a son is matter of pride. मुझसे जुबान मत लड़ाओ। Don't talk back to me. Don't talk back to me. अपने आप को संभालो। Take care of yourself. Take care of yourself. मेरे काम में दखल मत दो। Do not interfere in my work. Do not interfere in my work. वो बेहोश हो गया है। He has become unconscious. He has become unconscious. सुबह जल्दी उठने की आदत डाल लो। Get into the habit of getting up early. Get into the habit of getting up early. तुम्हारे साथ कहीं जाना ही बेकार है। It is useless to go anywhere with you. It is useless to go anywhere with you. मुसीबत को मत बुलाओ। Don't ask for trouble. Don't ask for trouble. मेरे लिए भी थोड़ा समय निकाल लो। Spare some time for me too. Spare some time for me too. मुझे ऊंचाइयों से डर लगता है। I am scared of heights. I am scared of heights. इसमें मेरा क्या कसूर है? What is my fault in this? What is my fault in this? ये बात मेरे दिमाग से निकल गई। I slipped my mind. I slipped my mind. जैसी करनी वैसी भरनी। As you sow so, shall you reap. As you sow so, shall you reap. वक्त सब भुला देता है। Time is a great healer. Time is a great healer. छोटी बच्ची हो क्या? Are you a little girl? Are you a little girl? सेवा करो मेवा पाओ। No gains without pains. No gains without pains. ज़्यादा हवा में मत उड़ो। Don't put on airs. Don't put on airs. अपने काम से काम रखो। Mind your own business. Mind your own business. कोई तुम्हें बुला रहा है। Someone is calling you. Someone is calling you. उसे मेरे पास भेजो। Send him to me. Send him to me. बाजार से क्या लाना है? What to bring from the market? What to bring from the market? इसमें कुछ गलत नहीं है। There is nothing wrong in it. There is nothing wrong in it. मुझसे तो चला नहीं जा रहा। I am unable to walk. I am unable to walk. मुझे तुमसे बात करनी है। I have to talk to you. I have to talk to you. वो घर पर नहीं है. He is not at home. He is not at home. कुछ काम कर लो. Do some work. Do some work. क्या मैं वजह जान सकता हूँ? May I know the reason? May I know the reason? इसमें ऐसा क्या खास है? What's so special in it? What's so special in it? वो तो अभी घर पर नहीं है. He is not at home right now. He is not at home right now. तुम मुझसे दूर नहीं जा सकते. You can't go away from me. You can't go away from me. तुम खड़े क्यों हो? Why are you standing? Why are you standing? मुझे गुस्सा मत दिलाओ. Don't make me angry. Don't make me angry. बड़ी खुशी का समाचार है. That's a good news. That's a good news. तुम्हारे पास कितने पैसे हैं? How much money do you have? How much money do you have? अब मैं कुछ बोलूं. May I say something now? May I say something now? उससे कौन मिलना चाहता है? Who wants to meet him? Who wants to meet him? क्या ये तुम्हारा आखिरी फैसला है? Is this your final decision? Is this your final decision? कौन कहता है तुम पागल हो? Who says that you are mad? Who says that you are mad? आप किसे प्यार करते हैं? Whom do you love? Whom do you love? मुझे देर हो रही है. I am getting late. I am getting late. ये कैसी मुमकिन है? How is it possible? How is it possible? तुम नहीं बदलोगे? You will not change. You will not change. आपकी शिक्षा क्या है? What is your qualification? What is your qualification? मुझे अपना ही समझो. Consider me yours. Consider me yours. क्या आपकी तबीयत ठीक है? Are you feeling well? Are you feeling well? मुझे खबर देते रहना. Keep me updated. Keep me updated. तुम कोशिश क्यों नहीं करते हो? Why don't you try? Why don't you try? ये बेहतर हो सकता है. This could be better. This could be better. अंदर बाथरूम में कौन है? Who is in the bathroom? Who is in the bathroom? उसने मुझे मैसेज किया. He sent me a message. He sent me a message. क्या तुम कल फ्री हो? Are you free tomorrow? Are you free tomorrow? मुझे नहीं लगता यह आसान है. I don't think it's easy. I don't think it's easy. मैंने बहुत मजे किए. I had a lot of fun. I had a lot of fun. उसे परेशान मत करो. Don't bother him. Don't bother him. क्या मैं कल आ सकता हूँ? Can I come in tomorrow? Can I come in tomorrow? अब आपकी बारी है. It's your turn now. It's your turn now. मुझे बाहर जाने दो. Let me go out. Let me go out. मैं कभी हार नहीं मानूंगा. I will never give up. I will never give up. तुम्हारे लिए यही सही है. That's right for you. That's right for you. कल के लिए क्या प्लान है? What is the plan for tomorrow? What is the plan for tomorrow? मुझे बहुत खुशी होगी. I will be very glad. I will be very glad. मैं फिर कभी आऊंगा. I will come some other time. I will come some other time. एक बार बात तो कर लो. Talk at least once. Talk at least once. ये तुम्हारी भूल नहीं है. It's not your fault. It's not your fault. आप मुझे प्रेरित करते हैं. You inspire me. You inspire me. मैं तुम्हारी मदद करना चाहूँगा. I would like to help you. I would like to help you. अपनी मदद खुद करो. Help yourself. Help yourself. मैं अभी मीटिंग में हूँ. I am in a meeting now. I am in a meeting now. ये किसका नंबर है? Whose number is this? Whose number is this? तुम्हें हो क्या गया है? What's wrong with you? What's wrong with you? ये तुम्हारा नहीं है. It's not yours. It's not yours. मैं सब जानता था. I know everything. I know everything. तुम मेरे साथ नहीं आओगे. You will not come with me. You will not come with me. तुम पढ़ रहे हो? Are you reading? Are you reading? कोई रास्ता नहीं है. There is no way. There is no way. मुझे अपनी लोकेशन भेजो. Send me your location. Send me your location. मैं तुम्हें चेतावनी दे रहा हूँ. I am warning you. I am warning you. कॉल करने के लिए शुक्रिया. Thank you for calling. Thank you for calling. यह मेरा आखिरी फैसला है. It's my final decision. It's my final decision. आप कुछ नहीं समझते. You don't understand anything. You don't understand anything. मुझे उसका नंबर भेजो. Send me her number. Send me her number. आप मुझे हमेशा डांटते हैं. You always scold me. You always scold me. इन दीवारों को रंगने की ज़रूरत है. These walls need to be painted. These walls need to be painted. मुझे आपसे कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. I have no problem with you. I have no problem with you. मुझे नए कपड़े खरीदने हैं. I have to buy new clothes. I have to buy new clothes. आपको देखे हुए बहुत समय हो गया है. It's been a long time to see you. It's been a long time to see you. हमें और अभ्यास करना चाहिए. We should practice more. We should practice more. काश मेरा जीवन बेहतर होता. I wish my life was better. I wish my life was better. आओ मिलकर पार्टी करते हैं. Let's party together. Let's party together. किसी की नकल करने की कोशिश मत करो. Don't try to copy anyone. Don't try to copy anyone. मैं अगले महीने तुमसे मिलने आ रहा हूँ. I am coming to meet you next month. I am coming to meet you next month. चलो पार्टी का आनंद लेते हैं. Let's enjoy the party. Let's enjoy the party. मैंने उसका क्या बिगाड़ा है? What have I done to him? What have I done to him? उम्मीद है कि आप समझ गए होंगे. Hope you understand. Hope you understand. आपकी विशेषता क्या है? What is your speciality? What is your speciality? तुमने जो कुछ भी कहा सब गलत है. Everything you have said is wrong. Everything you have said is wrong. क्या आपको पता है हम कहाँ जा रहे हैं? Do you know where are going? Do you know where are going? क्या आपको पता है वो कहाँ गया है? Do you know where he has gone? Do you know where he has gone? क्या इससे कोई फर्क पड़ता है? Does it matter? Does it matter? इससे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. वो किसकी तरफ आ रहा है? Whose side is he coming? Whose side is he coming? वो मेरी तरफ आ रहा है. He's coming to me. He's coming to me. मेरा मन कर रहा है उससे बात करने का. I feel like talking to her. I feel like talking to her. मुझे आपका कितना पैसा देना है? How much money do I have to pay you? How much money do I have to pay you? मेरे सभी दोस्त सहमत हैं. All my friends agree. All my friends agree. क्या मैं इससे शामिल हो सकता हूँ? Can I join? Can I join? डर लग रहा है क्या? Are you scared? Are you scared? उसे बहुत अकेलापन महसूस हो रहा है. He is feeling very lonely. He is feeling very lonely. उसकी हालत बहुत बुरी है. His condition is very bad. His condition is very bad. कितनी शर्म की बात है. What a shame. What a shame. तुम उसे भूल जाओ. You forget her. You forget her. मुझे नहीं पता क्या हुआ है. I don't know what happened. I don't know what happened. ये बहुत ज़्यादा हो रहा है. This is happening too much. This is happening too much. तुम इतनी देर से कहाँ थे? Where were you late? Where were you late? मैं कभी हार नहीं मानूंगा. I will never give up. I will never give up. तुम किसकी बात कर रहे हो? Who are you talking about? Who are you talking about? बेवजह उसे परेशान करना बंद करो. Stop bothering him unnecessarily. Stop bothering him unnecessarily. इस समय मैं अकेले रहना चाहता हूँ. This time I want to be alone. This time I want to be alone. तुम इसी के लायक हो. You deserve this. You deserve this. बेहतर होगा कि आप मुझे परेशान ना करें. Better you don't bother me. Better you don't bother me. तुमने अपना वादा कभी नहीं निभाया. You never kept your promise. You never kept your promise. इसे स्वीकार मत करो. Don't accept it. Don't accept it. आपके होश तो ठिकाने पर है. Are you in your senses? Are you in your senses? तुम जाने माने व्यक्ति हो. You are a well-known person. You are a well-known person. क्या तुम्हारी मुझसे कोई दुश्मनी है? Do you have any enmity with me? Do you have any enmity with me? मुझे शक भरी नज़रों से मत देखो. Don't look at me suspicious eyes. Don't look at me suspicious eyes. मेरी कमज़ोरी का फ़ायदा मत उठाओ. Don't take advantage of my weakness. Don't take advantage of my weakness. तुमने ये पूछकर बहुत बड़ी गलती कर दी. You made a big mistake by asking these. You made a big mistake by asking these. उसने ये सब अपने दम पर किया है. He has done all these on his own. He has done all these on his own. क्या तुम इसका कारण जानते हो? Do you know the reason? Do you know the reason? जो तुम्हें ठीक लगे वो करो. Do what you like. Do what you like. तुम ऐसा सोच भी कैसे सकते हो? How can you think so? How can you think so?